No, I did my best to defend myself and not.
3.5 hour improvisation, you know.
As we all know, famous actor Johnny Depp, who played numerous roles in the past, and his then-wife Amber Heard, who had recently appeared in the DC movie Aquaman, are now in the middle of a preposterous chaos that all stemmed from their past marriage, broken vows, and, well, a lot of physical problems. But how did all of this frenzy start? How did the romantic private wedding go down this badly? And what were the actions taken by Amber that were angering the judges so much? So let's begin. Amber Heard forces judge to dismiss lawsuit. Amber is asking a Virginia judge to throw out Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation lawsuit against her, arguing that the legal fight should play out in California, and recounted a history of alleged violence in shocking detail. In March, Depp sued his ex-wife for defamation following her December op-ed in the Washington Post centering on domestic abuse. The piece doesn't name Depp but was widely interpreted as being about the Pirates of the Caribbean star because of previously reported violence allegations in connection with her 2016 divorce and ongoing media coverage of her volatile relationship. Depp contends Heard was the abusive one, and her allegations against him are a hoax. If you remember, Johnny Depp has been at the height of his career in the industry for many years now. He started acting as early as 1980s, where he first appeared in a horror/thriller film, A Nightmare on Elm Street, and played a minor role as the boyfriend of the main character. This helped Johnny begin his acting career, landing more minor roles and then major ones. Later on, he became a popular star of the classic, eccentric director Tim Burton's film, where he portrayed various roles that all have these similarities, unique, bizarre, and kinda creepy in their own ways. In the romantic fantasy film Edward Scissorhands, he met his ex-partner Winona Ryder, whom we all see now in the sci-fi series Stranger Things. The two of them dated for 4 years, and even though the couple ended things between them in the 90s, Winona still defended Johnny against Amber Heard on the recent allegations of abuse. He also played a few roles with Helena Bonham Carter in many Tim Burton films, such as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Alice in Wonderland and Alice Through the Looking Glass, Corpse Bride, Sweeney Todd, The Demon Barber of Fleet Street, and Dark Shadows. One of the most widely known appearances of Johnny Depp that perhaps brought him the largest commercial and critical success was the Disney media franchise Pirates of the Caribbean series, where he landed and reprised his lead role for all 5 movies that ran from 2003 to 2017. Amber Heard, on the other hand, started her acting career in 2003, first by appearing in 2 music videos, and then later on landing small supporting roles in 3 various television series. This then later on elevated her to more film and television roles, both in the supporting and lead actress roles. Her latest film that hit commercial success was the 2018 DC movie Aquaman, where she co-starred alongside Jason Momoa as Mira, the Atlantean Queen. However, even amidst the controversy circling her divorce with Johnny Depp, she managed to keep and reprise her role in the 2021 superhero film Zack Snyder's Justice League, a director's cut of the 2017 film. Not only that, but she also starred in the post-apocalyptic miniseries The Stand, which was based on Stephen King's novel of the same name. Here she co-starred alongside Alexander Skarsgård, James Marden, and Odessa Young, and it premiered in December 2020. This upset fans because as Johnny was being banned from reprising his role as Grindelwald, Amber got to star in more films and series. And not only that, she was also reported to reappear as Mira in the sequel of the DC movie Aquaman, which is set to start filming in July of 2021. Many fans saw this as an unfair treatment given that both actors/ex-lovers are facing the ongoing lawsuits between them. And just recently, there has been a new occurrence in the ongoing defamation case against Amber's article on the Washington Post, and it seems like Johnny's side is stepping a little ahead of the game. Amber Heard has been looking into Disney and what the company knew about Johnny's actions and behavior during his time on the Pirates of the Caribbean films. For his part, Johnny has asserted Amber has lied on several occasions, including saying she would give their divorce settlement to charity but didn't, and also said she had asserted he was violent once, when police body cam footage allegedly show otherwise. Not so cool, Amber. Her lawyer also said that the Aquaman 2 actress has not been able to pay out the full divorce settlement to charity. Heard's attorney Eric George on Thursday filed a motion to dismiss the complaint so that Mr. Depp's meritless claims may be tried and disposed of once and for all in Los Angeles, California. As far as she knows, Heard has never stepped foot in Virginia. Plus, George argues, the alleged damage to Depp's reputation happened in LA, where the parties and the expected witnesses live. Georges argues that Depp has been distorting the truth and his suit is an all-too-transparent ploy to stanch the ongoing damage to his reputation as a Hollywood star. Ostensibly vexed by the absence of any literal falsehoods in the op-ed, Depp takes issues with an implication that he has imagined is contained within the op-ed, namely that he had abused Ms. Heard during the course of their marriage, writes George. Setting aside whether any such implication is reasonably inferable, the only factual questions that will require resolution in this action are whether, in fact, Mr. Depp actually abused Ms. Heard, rendering even the imagined inferences truthful, and whether Ms. Heard acted with malice. The filing states there were dozens of violent episodes throughout their relationship, and litigating in California would force Depp to prove early on that he has a likelihood of prevailing on his claims because of the state's strong anti-SLAPP statute. According to Heard's declaration filed as an exhibit, Depp allegedly first hit her about a year into their relationship. In extreme detail, she described several instances of violence, including one from March 2015 in which she says Depp's attack left her naked and barefoot, covered in alcohol and glass. That trip to Australia is when Depp severed the tip of his finger, which temporarily shut down production of Dead Men No Tales. He claims she threw a vodka bottle at him, and she says he cut it while slamming a phone against the wall. On the third day of Johnny's staying awake without sleeping, I came downstairs to find numerous messages Johnny had written to me around the house, on the walls and on my clothes, written in a combination of oil paint and the blood from his broken and severed finger, Heard recalls. In December 2015, Heard claims she told Depp she was going to leave him, and he screamed something like, "I fucking will kill you," and shoved her face into a mattress. "I worry that Johnny was in a blackout state and unaware of the damage he was doing, and that he could actually kill me," states Heard's declaration. To this day, I do not know how the fight ended.